It's important to put your focus in the right place in order to rank higher on Google. There are certain very important things that make Google and other search engines push you to the top of the first page. If you don't have them in place, then the search engines will keep pushing you down. You need a detailed analysis of your business website, Facebook, and your information available online. One way to get that is to have different types of reports which will show you what needs to be improved to be more competitive and win your local business competition. GMB Report. Business Optimization Report. Google Ranking Factors. Good Customer Reviews. Website Responsive Analysis. Social Media Analysis. Google Tag Manager. SSL Certificate. Search Engine Optimization Report. Tag Analysis. Backlinks Test. Semantic Analysis. Mobile SEO Website Speed and Page Performance. Google SERP Snippet. Facebook Report. Citation Report. Order one of our reports to get the full picture, and then you can decide how to solve those issues. We are here to help you with any of your problems. Visit us at market.sekaibusiness.com and order your report.